Well, you guys have been wanting some action from the RST now, haven't you? Well, you're about to get it. Got a 2004 Ford Lightning, heads cammed 85, pulleys, headers, the whole nine. Alonso SVT, boy. And over here we got 05 Chevy Silverado, LQ9 with a BTR Cammed, Procharged D1SC with a 4-inch pulley on 91 Octane. Lightning's on E85 and we're gonna go run them right now. See how these babies do. Well, what did you guys think about those runs, man? Do you like those runs, homie?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time for you to get a Whipple, huh?
It's time for me to get a Whipple.
And it's time for me to get more boost in the E85.
The RST.
It's a never-ending cycle, man.
Chevy versus Ford.
Chevy versus Ford, yeah.
Fuck your Chevy.
Yeah, we'll do it with fuck your Chevy, yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, we can't really say anything because they were both like, yeah, in the end, you would win, though. But yeah, dude.
For now.
Yeah, we'll see, dude. We'll run them again when we keep doing mods. But yeah, after every round of mod, we're gonna race them. We wanted to see where they stood against each other before I do the T56 and the E85 on this one, and then we're gonna run them again to see what kind of difference it made. But yeah, for now those were good runs. They were all 60 rolls, mostly because I can't shift down a second because my synchros are broken, and plus traction's a little shitty. And as you can see, it's raining out there. But yeah, we would start out third gear. I would start putting some space on him up to the top of third. Then second, I shift into fourth. He'd obviously come back around, put like a length or two on me, and then once I would build more boost on fourth, then I would start coming back around. But obviously there's curves here in the Autobahn in Germany, so we gotta let off because these are trucks, man. Like going high speed around the corner in a truck is super sketchy, obviously, if you guys didn't know. So we gotta let off. But yeah, that's pretty much how every run went down. I'm gonna say if I ran out fourth, I would have caught him and put a little bit of space on him. But the problem with that is then I'd have to shift into fifth, and he would pass me again. So yeah, they're actually really even. We ran once before I did the cam, and then that's when both of our trucks broke, actually. And yeah, I think he put 2 to 3 truck links on me, and I wasn't really pulling back. So cam definitely did it. It did its job, guys. It did its job. But thank you so much for watching once again. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Check out our Spanish channel, Rey Visión. See you next time.